For those of you who haven't heard it before, beatboxing is where you make drum sounds with your mouth, and it sounds a little something like this. A little something like that.
Blake Brandis spent the day with us today, and I can't say enough good things about the positive message that he brought to our school and brought to our kids.
Because stories create the emotion that makes us make decisions and take actions, right? So if I've got a story, like I said earlier, that tears me down, I'm gonna take actions that don't support wherever I wanna go, whatever I want to accomplish. But if I got that story that builds me up, then I'm going to take actions towards whatever I want to accomplish.
I was really excited to see a lot of my students who are not generally very engaged in learning in classroom activities really focused, and they were just so excited to hear everything that Blake had to say.
But here is that super secret superpower. Superheroes all know that there is power in their beliefs, and what they believe matters.
I love that it was different for each group of kids, and the kids were very engaged, and I think really things that they could take back with them and remember throughout the year.
So they were just really involved and excited in ways that I've never seen them act before.
My question for y'all is, are you ready to learn how to beatbox? Yeah? Okay.
Our 844 kids, very diverse population, really bought into his beatboxing, but more importantly to his message. And then the follow-up with our leadership kids was more of the same.
And he compared his freestyling to leadership. As in, anything that you're given, you can do something creative with, you can do something unique with. No matter if it's good or bad, you can make it what you want it to be.
You would ask me when I was in high school, Blake, do you think that's even a possibility for you? I would have said, no way. I didn't even know that existed. But the thing was, I kept taking one step after another and using what I loved to help people.
A lot of them mentioned that they are initially kind of shy and kind of hesitant to really pursue what they're passionate about, and that this workshop really inspired them to take that step forward and to go for it.
My goal is to share with other principals and administrators who I know that Dr. Blake Brandis is definitely one you would want to come to your school to encourage your students, to encourage your staff, to motivate your students, to motivate your staff. He is the catalyst for student success.